Here I have iPhone 10 and let me show you how to reset the location and privacy on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the settings. Here I have settings. Then you have to find and select the general right here, choose general settings, scroll down, and here you can find reset. Let's choose reset options. And here you have to choose the last of the following options, which is reset location and privacy right here. Let's tap it. And this will reset your location and privacy settings to factory defaults. If you are aware of this operation, let's choose reset settings right here. And the reset was performed. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal mode. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.